My visit to Salaulim Dam, Goa's largest dam, which is located at Salaulim River Sangam, also known as Salaulim Irrigation Project. There are two gates. I entered from the back gate, and this is the main gate. Hi and hello, welcome to Albert Pinto's multi-channel. Before entering inside, you have to register your name and check for your photo IDs. So don't forget to carry your photo identifications. The Salaulim Dam is Goa's most important dam. The distance from Margao city is about 25 kilometers. Photography is allowed on the dam except near the spillway well. There are guards posted on the dam to monitor the visitors. You have to visit the place in the middle of the rainy season. It's really amazing to watch. The water is not much now. During the rainy season, it has a different look. It looks all dry now. Built on the Zuari River, this is probably one of the only duck-built type dam in India, with the overflow from the lake passing through a well into the dam wall. Well, an engineering marvel. And here is the look, how it looks during the rainy season. Beautiful. The project is located at Sirga, about 5 kilometers from the Sangam town. For your information, the construction of the project was started in the year 1976 and the dam was completed in the year 2000. And the beautiful rainbow formation, it was fantastic visit to Salaulim Dam. These are the steps to go towards the rock garden and the botanical garden. Just on the entrance there is a beautiful garden where you will enjoy beauty and lush green grass all around. Even lot of plants, and that makes it looks like dense forest. The way to the drift tunnel. And this is the duck-built spillway. And this is the rock garden for you, good for photo shoots. And the medicinal herbs. This garden looks very well maintained and the perfect place for family outings. Sighted few squirrels there and yes, plants for sale as well. There are games for children also. Overall a fantastic place, and if you are in Goa, a must visit place. Come and explore Goa. Thank you for watching my video. Here in this channel we have videos of all kinds including Konkani and Hindi songs and technical videos related to blogging as well. Visit my blog Goa My Goa. The link is given below. Please check that for more information. Thank you once again, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel to get all the notifications of my latest uploads. Take care and bye bye. See you.